Hello everybody, it's Mr. Ingman here from Barnsley Music Service. In this video we're going to learn about the circle of fifths and we're going to learn about what that can help us with in our music theory and when we're playing our instrument. As its name suggests, it really is a circle, and you can see on there's some numbers within the circle, and outside there's some letters and some key signatures. The circle of fifths has a sharp side and a flat side, and it's designed to help you know how many sharps or flats are in a particular key signature, or vice versa, what the key of a piece of music is. You can see there in red two sharps, D major, that's on the sharp side. D major has two sharps. You can use that in two ways. You might need to know what the sharps are or what the key signature is of D major. You can use the circle there to help you know that on the sharp side there's two sharps. Or the other way around, you might be playing a piece of music, it has two sharps, you want to know what the key signature is, D major. Another example on the left there, the flat side, three flats is E flat major. With a circle of fifths, I think it's a really good skill to be able to draw a circle of fifths from memory. So we're going to have a little look about how you can do that. So you might want to pause the video so that you can get a pen or a pencil. First thing that you need to do is draw a circle. If you imagine the circle of fifths is a little bit like a clock, it's got 12 points on it. So if you make a point at the top and the bottom and where 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock is within the circle there. Between each of those 4 points that you've marked on, you need to have two other points equally spaced out. Numbers starting at the top where 12 o'clock would be, if you number that as 0 and go all the way around to the bottom so that you end at 6 at the bottom. If you keep going clockwise, after you've got to the 6, keep numbering, but you number then backwards, so you should end up with a 1 next to the 0 that you've already drawn. So it's sort of symmetrical in that way. At the very top, mark on C for C major. We know hopefully that C major has no sharps and flats, so it lives there at the top of our circle. Counting back 1 point anti-clockwise to the flat side, F major lives there next to the C. Then we're going clockwise, we've already got the C in, so we're going for G, D, A, E, and B. If you've watched the video on the order of sharps and flats, you might recognise a pattern there. Father Charles goes down and enters battle. The mnemonic that is a really common one in music theory for the order of the sharps also works for the order of the key signatures, going from that F round. Looking on the flat side from the 2 next to the F major, battle ends and down goes. These are all of the flats. You'll notice at the bottom that G flat and F sharp share 6 flats, 6 sharps. That's the enharmonic equivalent. If you were to play G flat major and F sharp major, they sound exactly the same. And I've added back in the key signatures there. You don't need to draw those as part of your circle of fifths, but just so that you've got that awareness there. You might be thinking about the minor scales as well. I filled the minor scales in the middle of the circle. You can do this as well on your circle. Hopefully you know at the top there that A minor has no sharps or flats. It's the relative minor of C major. And then the others are all a minor third lower than the major. So if you're not sure what a minor third is, have a look at the intervals videos. I mentioned relative minors there. Each key signature has a major and a minor version. You can see on the screen A major, 3 sharps, F sharp minor, 3 sharps. Sometimes people think that A major and A minor share the same key signature. That is not the case. The minor version is always a minor third lower than the major. Another example there on the flat side, B flat major, 2 flats. The relative minor is G minor. Have a go at home trying to draw a circle of fifths. Try and use that within your theory work, within your playing work on your instrument. Thank you for watching.